You're my baby, baby. I wanna go wherever you take me, baby, baby. I wanna go wherever you take me, to the top or even back. I'm staying by your side. You're my baby, baby. I wanna ride all the way until we.
You my baby, you my rider, my last and only dollar. Yeah, we made a big fam, so we need them big bands, no friends. I love you, let's say it again. That's my wife, that's my friend, go best friend, go best friend. You my baby, you my rider, my last and only dollar. Yeah, we made a big fam, so we need them big bands, no friends. I love you, let's say it again. That's my wife, that's my friend, go best friend, go best friend. Hey.
LCGK. What's up, YouTube? First thing first, y'all, before we get any further into this video, what I need y'all to do is I need y'all to like this video and I need y'all to subscribe to this video. Not only subscribe, but turn your post notifications on and join the family, because we love y'all over here, period. And that's just period. I just cannot wait to grow, you know. I just cannot wait for this YouTube journey and to just be filled with so many of y'all. Oh my goodness. But you guys, today, this video, as y'all see by the title, what is about to go down. Your girl's about to get ratchet. I'm talking about, yeah. Hot girl ratchet, period. I don't know what type of ratchet. You know, ratchet could go in so many different categories. You could be like the ratchet type that's just still like the fly ratchet type. And then you could be like the little nasty ratchet type, you know, like. So it's so many forms. It kind of really is different forms of ratchet. If y'all get what I'm saying, comment down below. I'm gonna start with showing y'all my outfit, okay? So this is my outfit. We got a gold chain. So we're gonna wear a gold chain. We got that P.o bracelet, because I don't even know if I know how to be ratchet. That is that. Cause it's like I'm loud and stuff already, but ratchet, I'm gonna try, y'all. I'm gonna try to just expand my loudness and just, I don't know. Y'all gonna tell me how I did at the end of the video. So, you know, your girl has to promote, period. You know, so I'm gonna have on my P.o bracelet, because y'all know your girl sell that tea and NutriBurst. If y'all need some, hit me up. I'm gonna still put that link down below, and y'all can get y'all some tea and NutriBurst. I think I want more like that. Like some tea and NutriBurst, period. Some stuff like that. I got y'all. So just hit me up. Period, you know. Okay, so I have me some blue shorts. I'm sorry. So I got me some blue shorts, and the reason I got some blue shorts is because I have me some blue lipstick. So you know I had to put some blue together. Y'all know I love color coordinating something, so I had to put some blue together. But okay, but look at this though. So I'm going with the, like, not the ratchet cute fly. I'm going more so with the fly and ghetto, like more so nasty and boy of me. I'm doing a couple of different ratchets mixed together, because then look, I got this bodysuit. So your girl about to wear this bodysuit that do not match it, or with these shorts with a gold chain. And you know I had to promote my bracelet, period. Not only that, I just got me some hoops, and I got me some little things to put on my braids. Lip gloss from Godfident. Shop Godfident. Like, I love Godfident stuff, period. Godfidence, yes. Get your Jesus stuff, period. Well, the next step that we is about to do, oh, and then I got me some real long lashes. Okay. I cannot forget to tell y'all my nails. I have 2 nails missing. Oh, she ratchet. All right, you guys, so your girl is ready to go. So I think that this is gonna be my voice, and I'm about to get everything together or whatever. I'm gonna show y'all my outfit, and then y'all just let me know what y'all think about my outfit. But I honestly just have to get my nails done, but they not done right now, so. But this is my outfit that I'll be wearing. And I'm not sure that I can't button it or none by myself. So that's what's going on. So I'll see y'all in the video. Peace, period. Period, po. And work. Huh?
You got a braid in your hair.
Oh, cause this came out. I'm about to. I don't know. I'm about to see if somebody can put this in for me or something. Put your seatbelt on. I don't work jobs. I am a job. Period.
What are you talking like that?
Where you about to go?
Walmart. Alright, so I'm gonna first, I guess.
I need to get something to eat first. For real. Ouch. Boy, I tell you, these things is like dangerous or something. I don't know. I need my nails done too. I couldn't buckle this thing in the back of me. Either my I'm talking about my shirt.
Yeah, we just going through a drive-through. We're not like about to go inside.
I ain't asked to go inside, but I am going inside Walmart. What you mean I ain't going inside nowhere?
You're not going inside.
Boy, you can't tell me I ain't going inside nowhere. That's your problem now.
Yeah, but you're not going inside though. No, with that. Just let you know.
Psh, you got me messed up. Went right inside your mouth for even talking like that. Like you gonna tell me where I ain't going or nothing like that. These things. This line too long. I ain't going here.
Yeah. What's today?
Today ain't nothing, but I need my nails done. You see my nails?
Yeah. They yellow. And they look done.
No, I'm missing nails. I need a fill in and I need some repairs. I think ever since we came from Kentucky, it's like I talk country or something now. I just feel it.
It's sounding country.
Yeah, I just feel low. I don't know. I don't work jobs. I am a job, period.
It sounds so nasty.
What?
So nasty.
Who?
You talking like that, like that sounds.
Don't do that. Don't ever in your life try to assault me like that on everything I love. Cause I literally go in your mouth. I don't care if any day, if I want to be something or do something, that's just what I want to do. You don't talk or tell me what I sound like, and if I sound nasty, you don't dare just disrespect me like that, because I still in your wife, because I take this ring off. And that's period.
Why would you take the ring off? Because I said you sound nasty.
You alright. You gonna be sounding real nasty in a minute and sort me again. You think I'm playing? I ain't playing. I'm serious, Marcel. On everything I love. Hurry up and go to this food place, because I'm not even about to deal with you. And that I'm serious. I'm not about to deal with you.
Talking like that, that shit annoying as hell. What it is, man. You talking about this son killing me.
Hurry up and get to this food place, because this just like you got me messed up.
My ears is ringing.
I think I want some Kentucky Fried. Like some Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Okay.
That line kind of a little long too. These things is like, we had my ears pulling all the way down. Go ahead.
So disgusting.
What I say about that, and I'm not playing. Don't insult me.
Don't put your hands on me.
Don't insult me.
Don't put your hands on me. You still want to go Kentucky Fried Chicken?
Where you going?
Man, I gotta turn around. I missed the thing. Keep talking like that.
This why now, like this is exactly why I'm not about to be doing all of this. Like I'm not be singing. I'm not. You got me messed up. You could have just run right there.
Why you didn't tell me to go right there? Ew.
You was doing too much. Disgust me.
No, that voice is disgusting.
Man, I ain't about to go right here. That line is too
Oh
long.
my goodness, why would you tell me to come over here?
Look how long these lines is.
Like, what do you got in your hair?
Go some. I got my same hair on.
But what's them things in there? Them gold things.
Go this way.
You look like earrings.
Y'all dudes always complaining like everything I love. Like I'm just really trying to feel myself today, and then you just acting. Where are you going?
Where the fuck am I
Go
going?
to Taco Bell. Go to Taco Bell. Right here. Why are you doing that?
You were
Okay.
aggravating me. Stop talking like that. I'm getting confused. Like your voice is like making my head ring. Like stop. I can't even comprehend with life. Stop.
Boy, if you don't get your act together and get to that food place, you riding in circles. If you want to complain that much, you don't gotta be with me.
I never said I didn't want to be with you, but I don't want to be with somebody who talk like that.
What? Country? That's all. I
It's
just.
country, but it's annoying. Like in my ear, I can see you like.
This how I talk.
Yeah, you've been in Kentucky too long. How long you gonna go? Like 4 that is.
How you doing?
How you doing?
Good. You for whenever you ready.
Can I get?
What are you getting? I didn't say nothing yet.
Alright, now you need to chill out. Chill out now.
I didn't say nothing yet.
What you want? What do you want? Like for real? Stop playing with me. What you want, man?
Boys. Give me all of those 5, 6, 7, and 8.
5, 6, 7, and 8. I'm not about to.
I'm not playing with you.
One second, please. Man, come on. What you want?
Your
for
time,
real?
bro.
Give me 5, 6, 7, and 8.
You serious? Man, please.
You
stop.
holding up the line.
Can I get the number 5?
Move.
Bruh. Alright, hold on. I'm leaving, man. You on some weird shit, man. Like, for real. You on some real live weird shit. Man, what's
What you doing? Move. You were supposed to move and go through there. Go give me 5, 6, 7, and 8.
Nothing. We're not getting nothing. Like, on the niggas, bro. That shit just annoying as hell.
Marcel, I am hungry.
Well, you gotta wait until Kentucky Fried Chicken is
I really want 5, 6, 7, and 8. Move don't mean move. Go, move. Get my stuff.
I'm not going back to no drive-thru. I'm not. No. It's about to drop you off at your mom's house.
You're not about to drop me off nowhere.
You something because I don't even want to be around the voice. The voice is annoying.
You know what? Drop me off because the fact that I'm not talking about drop me off. You're not about to drop me off at no parents' house or nothing like that.
Going 60 in this
Where my braid at? Drop me off to get my braid back in my hair somewhere. I'm hungry. If I want number 5, 6, 7, and 8, I want number 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm hungry.
I could try this Burger King, but if you're gonna be on that, man,
I don't want Burger King.
I'm gonna get trapped in there. Man, I don't know, man. You need to stop talking like that. That's stressing me out.
You know what? This why I'm not dealing with dudes no more. I'm done. Like, you could drop me off at this corner because, baby, I'm not like you. I will call me a lift because you got me messed up. Get out!
Me?
Yeah!
No, I ain't getting out though. Cause you said you drop you off.
And you gonna make me get out right here. This is why I'm ending this. This is why I'm ending this. This is why I'm ending this.
Like ratchet as hell. That shit annoying. That shit not cute. It's not cute. Stop.
I told you don't assault me. Where's my pistol? I told you don't assault me again.
Oh wow.
I told you don't assault me. Didn't I?
Yeah.
Now take me to go get my nails done. It's a prank.
What?
It's a prank.
Oh, like, I'm about to say, you doing too fucking much. Like, what the fuck is you doing?
Watch your mouth. I said it's a
Man,
prank.
I know, man, but dang, like, relax.
Period.
But that really wasn't normal.
Period. I just got
If somebody
him.
really talk like that, well, it's probably people who really talk like that, but the people who do, like, I know you annoying this.
Why are you cussing?
Sorry, I ain't mean to cuss. Like, I didn't mean to cuss. Like,
It's a prank. Yo, girl got him. I'm gonna need y'all to comment down below, Team Vonnie, period. Because y'all know I'm coming back to back with these bangers. Y'all feel me? And that's just period. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Him gonna take me to get these nails done. And that's just that. On that. I've been looking for some help one day. I apologize. God. How y'all doing video with no hubba bubba? Now, that was Ratchet. I did this video with no hubba bubba. I apologize. Make sure y'all comment and subscribe. Sorry about that. Don't ever do a wrestling video with no hubba bubba.